You want to learn how to do a fade? I got you. So we're going to start off by creating our bald line that drops in the back, and we're going to go ahead and bald it out. Then we're going to follow it up with the shaver to get it nice and close to the skin. And now we're going to come in lever all the way open on our clipper, going up about 1 inch. And to get rid of that, we'll go halfway. Then we'll close that all the way up and attack that line. And the next step, we're going to go ahead and grab our one guard with the lever all the way open. Again, going up about 1 inch. Now to get rid of that line in between, we'll come in with our half guard, lever all the way open. And then we'll gradually close it as needed. And to follow it up, we'll go with our 2 guard all the way open. This will be the biggest guard that we use. Now right under that, this is the 1.5 lever open. And then we'll close it as needed. And to blend into the curls on top, we'll do clipper over comb. Now for the finished product, and that's how I do a fade.